What's up, witches? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. We're doing a Jeffree Star unboxing. This is going to be a Christmas gift, but my husband said go ahead and unbox it and show it, use it, whatever I want to do. So this is part of my Christmas present, and it's the all I did was cut the thing and remove the label. It's the new palette. I just got the palette. I didn't get all the other stuff. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. Oh, that's pretty. There's the card. And the back side. Alright, so paper. More paper. And there's nothing else, just the receipt in the box. Oh, look how pretty it is. Wrapped real nice. I'm so excited for that. I think this is called Gold-Blooded. And it's bubble wrapped. Oh. Oh, that's pretty. How does it work? And it says it on the side. All the stuff on the back. Oh, okay. It slides out. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, I'm getting over a cold. Please excuse my voice. And oh, that is so pretty. This is raised. And it looks like hammered gold. Oh my goodness. My kind of colors. And get the plastic off. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm going to put it up like this so I don't blind you. Look at that. Oh my god. These are so pretty. Wow. Wow. What a pretty palette. And you could make everyday looks or glam looks with this. Look how pretty. And you know I want to swatch a few things. Let's do Star, Decadence, The Influencer, Living Legend, and Gold-Blooded. These four. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the middle row. There's the shimmers. Oh my goodness. Alright, so that's Star, Decadence. The light is not doing it justice. It's almost my skin tone. And then the next one's called The Influencer. I'm just going to put them on first. Then Living Legend and Gold-Blooded. I'm going to put that at the top. Alright, let me turn the light down so you can actually see, because the camera is not picking it up. They're all very pretty. Very blendable. Wow, my face looks horrible in that light. Very nice. I'm excited. Oh, my other hand, let's see. Oh, I don't want to do any of the other ones. Vincent Van Gogh. I'll do that one. That is a real sparkly, shimmery one. And I do want to look at this Courageous, because it looks like a orangish brown. And that color's like right up my alley. So this is Vincent Van Gogh. And the other one is Courageous. Oh, look how pretty that is. Like an orangish brown color. I love that color. That's how I should have done the first ones. On my wrist. And still, there we go. A little bit better. I'm terrible at doing swatches. Alright, anyway, I tried. I'm not a good swatcher. I don't have... Oh my goodness, look. For me trying to rub it off. That's hilarious. This is really pretty. That together is really pretty. Oh my goodness. So happy. Alright, so... Gold-blooded. Beautiful palette. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to put this all back together. I'm sorry for such a short video, but it is what it is. So it's Merry Christmas to me from Jeffree Star and my husband. Gold-blooded palette. Beautiful palette. Alright. You guys have a blessed and magical day, and I'll see you again next time.